Welcome back to Auto Speed's Vibes, your ultimate source for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving deep into the stunning exterior design of the 2025 Ferrari 458, a masterpiece that's turning heads and setting new standards in the world of high-performance supercars. Ferrari has always stood for power, passion, and perfection, but with the 2025 458, they've taken all of that and wrapped it in an exterior that's nothing short of breathtaking. Right from the moment you lay eyes on the new 458, you realize this isn't just a refresh, it's a total evolution. The design flows like a living thing, inspired by aerodynamics and shaped by the wind tunnel, with every curve and cut serving a purpose. The front fascia commands attention with a wider, lower stance that screams aggression while still maintaining the signature Ferrari elegance. The revised LED headlights stretch back toward the fenders, creating a sharp, focused look that feels both futuristic and unmistakably Ferrari. The sculpted hood now features dual air vents that not only cool the front brakes but also guide airflow over the car, reducing lift and increasing high-speed stability. Ferrari's design team has gone above and beyond to make every inch of the bodywork functional. Even the lower front splitter has been redesigned with active aerodynamic elements, automatically adjusting to road conditions and speeds to optimize downforce. Moving along the sides, the profile of the 2025 458 is sleeker than ever. The side skirts now channel air with more precision, while the new lightweight forged wheels not only enhance performance but also contribute to the car's aggressive stance. The iconic side air intakes have been enlarged and reshaped, improving engine cooling and giving the car a more muscular presence. The subtle creases along the doors blend form and function, pushing air efficiently toward the rear to feed the mid-mounted engine. At the rear, things get even more dramatic. The triple exhaust setup remains, but it's now integrated into a more sculpted diffuser that increases airflow efficiency and gives the back end a meaner, more planted look. The taillights have been slimmed down and darkened, offering a cleaner yet more sinister aesthetic that works perfectly with the aggressive rear bumper design. The active rear wing, a new feature on this model, deploys at higher speeds for added downforce and can retract to maintain a smooth silhouette at lower speeds. Now let's talk performance, because the looks are just half the story. Underneath that gorgeous skin, the 2025 458 houses a reworked 4.5-liter V8 engine, delivering an estimated 590 horsepower. Combined with Ferrari's cutting-edge aerodynamics, this machine isn't just about straight-line speed, it's about precision, balance, and pure driving emotion. The revised bodywork helps the 458 stick to the asphalt like never before, offering better cornering grip and reduced drag, all while keeping the soul of a Ferrari intact. As for the price, the 2025 Ferrari 458 doesn't come cheap, and that's expected. With a starting price projected around $290,000, it's aimed squarely at enthusiasts and collectors who want more than just a car, they want a rolling piece of art. And that's exactly what the 458 delivers. The exterior design is one of its biggest selling points, marrying form and function in a way that very few cars on the market can. Every vent, every line, every shadow cast on the body has been meticulously crafted for a purpose, whether it's aesthetics, cooling, or performance. But what truly sets the 2025 458 apart is its identity. In a world where so many supercars start to blur together, Ferrari ensures the 458 remains iconic. It's not just a car that looks fast, it looks alive. The aggressive nose, the sculpted sides, the brutal yet beautiful rear, they all speak to a brand that understands how to balance heritage with innovation. The 2025 458 isn't trying to look like something else. It's setting the benchmark that others will try to follow. And that's the essence of Ferrari. It's not just about speed. It's about presence. It's about that moment when you see it pass and time seems to slow down. The 2025 Ferrari 458 is the embodiment of that moment. A visual symphony of precision engineering and artistic design. Thanks for riding with us here at Auto Speed's Vibes. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2025 Ferrari 458's jaw-dropping exterior, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth looks at the hottest machines on the road, and drop a comment below telling us what your favorite feature of the new 458 is. Until next time, keep your engines revving and your vibes fast.